Alright guys, so we got another V1 here. That might be a surprise to no one. But this bike is a little funny. This bike actually came from Southern Ohio. A gentleman named Rashad put this bike together. I got it from him non-running forever ago. Completely rebuilt it, which is something that I forgot about. I had rebuilt this probably 8-9 years ago. So today I pulled it out of the basement, aired the tires up, dropped the motor, get it on the bench, start disassembling it, take the cylinder off, take the clutch off, take the ignition off. There I was, oh, this has new bearings on it and new seals. I had forgotten that I rebuilt the motor. So I slapped all new gaskets on it, put it back together, slapped a new head on there, cleaned everything up, cleaned up the wiring, painted the pipe black because it was all rusty, and then started the bike. And we're gonna see if it starts right now. I'm not using the choke, so let's see if she gets going here. Oh my god! Alright, we're gonna do this over again.
It's freshly rebuilt, folks. He's gonna do one more pass.
Let me go get it warm.
He wants to restart the video, but I think we all like it better this way. And the first start with dense air. So what this means, folks, is that he's probably tuned it badly and he needed the extra air to start. First start, not going to edit any of that.
Nope,
out.
I'm sure there was a lot said while I was gone.
No, there was nothing said.
So yeah, this is a needle bearing V1, blue springs on the clutch, EV turbo, stock Fantic head, 103 fan setup, points with a 12 volt lighting coil, LED headlight, taillight. Yeah, it's like the lowest bike ever. Hope you don't like going right, you know, but that was the style in 2011, you know, get cool. So yeah, that's that.